It seems impossible.
Look for another way.
It seems complicated.
Looking for another way.
It seems you are lost.
Just find the correct path.
A lot of things can look difficult, but in Aztech, we can do it with effort, like everything we have done. But what does Aztech mean?
Aztech means environment. An example is Limpiemos Nuestro México, a campaign in which we have been participating since the team started. Each year, more than 130,000 people participate to clean our community.
This year, we have electrical control of our team through an initiative that consists in know what is the amount of carbon footprint generated and be able to compensate the debt that we have with the environment through sustainable actions.
We decide to pay our debt allocating some funds that we collect to a civil association, Servicios Ambientales y Cambio Climático Aztech, in order to support the reforestation of forests.
Aztec means education. Every year, we help to improve the education of 320 Mexican children, who, during the holidays, attend to a summer course at Italica. It's during these weeks that they acquire knowledge about mechanics, programming, and electronics.
Aztech means work with our community. Every year we perform free fundraising, selling donuts and coffee, and with this money we can fund our road. Also, we give 2 special expositions to our school, where we show to more than 2,100 students all of our work.
Last year, we participated in a special fair of entrepreneurship performed in UNAM, where a lot of students can know us and our work.
We try to benefit each sector of our country. That's why, through an annual sale of chocolates, we collect the necessary funds to support different causes, such as help to finance an ambulance, support girls' home, and help cats and dogs.
In winter, all the team participate at Robotics, a campaign that collects toys which are taken to children who don't have the opportunity to receive a gift on January.
Aztech means first. First is essential for the integral development of young people in the world. First provides the most important tools to develop qualities like leadership, teamwork, and entrepreneurship.
In our team, we carry the spirit of first in every action that we do and in each competition that we go. That's why we support one team of FLL and one team of FTC. And coming soon, we will open 2 teams of FTC in Puebla and Guanajuato.
As a team, we know that we have to keep us at the forefront. That's why, in favor of the news team, we extend our support to the arts. Then, through another sale of chocolates, we collect money to provide instruments to Orquesta Esperanza Azteca in Los Verdes.
With effort, we can find our path, and we will continue in it because it's the correct path. We are Aztec warriors.